Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my latest listing located at 3519 Anthony Ave in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. This is located in the Kingsberry Subdivision, and I am super excited to show you guys this home. So come on, let's go. I don't even know where to begin with this house because there is so much that I love about it. It features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and 2,765 square feet. I just love the downstairs. This kitchen is just so open and there's so much natural light coming in. The living room is right there. It is absolutely beautiful. And the primary bedroom is on the main level. And I love how this primary bedroom is so huge and it is so cool. You can walk through the bathroom into the primary closet and then into the laundry room. Talk about convenient. All right, y'all. Once again, my name is Matt Bogosian, and this is my latest listing at 3915 Anthony Ave. It is located in the Kingsbury Subdivision, directly across from the playground and pool. It is just an absolutely wonderful location in the neighborhood. And oh, did I mention this neighborhood is right off of Medical Center Parkway, so you have easy access to I-24 and all the dining and shopping you could ever need. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.